guys, welcome to Quiet Plays, and today I am doing day 4 of my awesome road trip series. And make sure you watch day 1 and day 2 and day 3. And I'll put the link in the description box below. And so now we're heading to Sunset Crater, and it's 20 minutes away from the house. And so guys, now we're at Sunset Crater National Monument, and now we went across something called the lava fields, where all the lava was flowing, and then it cooled down, turned into all this lava rock. And now we're going to take a little hike through it. So let's go. Guys, this is my first time seeing amber on a log, here and here. It's actually really cool. I don't see anything inside it though. Guys, no breath. Around 8,000, 9,000 feet in the air. And there, there's a tree that got struck by lightning. And we probably tragically. So guys, we reached the top, and now there is some volcanic rock. So, yeah. And so, we're gonna go to the So guys, now there's a slope down into this volcanic sand field, so we can put down the mountain. So let's go a little. It's really cool. That little big bush. Hold it. If we go down, there's basically kind of no way up because it's really hard, as you see. All this rock is slippery. Oh no, it's not. We can do it. It felt like it was really funny. So we're just gonna go down for a little and then come back up. So guys, we have come all the way from there down here into the flat terrain. Very good tree. So yeah. So guys, we're done with Lennox Crater, and now we're heading down the trail back to the car. And it's really windy, so that might stink a little. So yeah. Hey. So now,
you're done with the trail.
Down here a little, and we're gonna go to the car right there, and
Look at this awesome tree.
look at that view. Oh man, really cool and thick. So guys, this tree was hit by lightning, and it is dead. Dead. Well guys, I found a new friend for myself. Well, you got big muscles, eh? Oh yeah, I got some big muscles, man. So you want me to feed anything? Oh yeah. Are you really, really strong? Oh yeah, I can rip down the huge fence, man. So guys, now we're in another little trail and we're gonna go into those ancient homes down this bridge thing. So you can either go down there or you can go up there. And here is the people that live there and there, probably.
It is a gathering place.
And it was a gathering place. So now we will go on the top instead of down there. So I think this trail is that board probably explains about these Americans. Probably Native Americans. Or the trail also goes on after that. So first we'll go right, then we'll turn around to the left. Guys, here they have a ball court, and that's where the Mayan and the Aztecs used to play a little game. So, like this. Watch me. You come back here! So guys, he's my Aztec friend and I'm gonna beat him up!
Done. Come on.
You're dead. So guys, we're in Wupatki Trail, where it has a bunch of other of those little houses, and we are gonna go and see those houses, which are right there. So let's go. I saw the paleontologist or something. Wait, can you fit? So guys, here I found a little hut, and looks like they had a little view from here, or they just destroyed it. So yeah. Nice place. So guys, it looks like they had a little room here. Maybe a secret room, because probably covered it up before going in. After going in here. Probably to protect themselves from their enemies. And this is like solid. Ooh. Guys, I took a few photos and hope you like them and enjoy them now. Now guys, we're gonna go, but we might go on a few more trails while getting out. So getting out will take 2 hours, but including the trails, will probably take 3 to 4 hours. So guys, this is the end of part 4. Hope you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in part 5.